Very pretty. It says to wait 5 minutes. I really like the different colored lights. It's very soothing. One thing I will tell you is that the instructions say add water to the maximum water level of the water pot. And when I started using it, I was looking for a line, a max line, but there isn't one that I could see. So I would fill it, you know, close to the top, because you're going to put this piece in here. This piece. So you're going to have enough room to let your water rise. And then put the piece back on. And there's your humidifier. You can turn it on and off. With these buttons you can turn the lights off and just use the humidifier. Or leave them on.